From the quality of the air you breathe to the condition of the roads you drive on, environmental factors can have a major influence on your health. What's more, these factors have evolved considerably over time due to both natural and human caused events. Professionals in the environmental health field examine how people interact with the world around them, chronicling the many ways that these interactions can impact physical fitness, vulnerability to disease, and other aspects of human wellness. In this video, we will explore 8 key environmental factors that affect health. Number 1. Chemical safety. Different chemicals can impact human health in different ways, and often exposure to dangerous or foreign substances creates health vulnerabilities. The chemical safety field is concerned with minimizing the effects of both natural and synthetic chemicals. More specifically, chemical safety seeks to safeguard human and environmental health from exposure to potential toxins. It focuses on chemicals that exist in the ambient world, as well as synthetic chemicals that are used in industrial processes or are the byproducts of manufacturing activity. Public health officials who work in chemical safety often focus on toxicology, which is the study of substances that have a toxic effect on the human body, whether when ingested or when absorbed through natural surroundings. Another important aspect of public health is chemical risk assessment, which involves scientists and clinicians working to determine a substance's full biological effects. Number 2. Air pollution. Studies have shown that air pollution effects on humans are a significant public health concern, not only because of their role in climate change, but also because of exposure to air pollution can increase morbidity and mortality. When environmental scientists talk about air pollution, they are describing any solid or liquid particles as well as gases that are suspended in the air and have a harmful or poisonous effects. When we think about air pollution, we tend to think in terms of human-caused pollutants, and rightly so. Some of the most dangerous and ubiquitous examples of air pollution include car and truck exhaust as well as polluting byproducts of industrial processes. However, many natural air pollutants can cause health concerns. For example, pollen and mold spores are often linked with asthma and allergies. Number 3. Climate change and natural disasters. Another environmental issue with serious ramifications for human health is climate change, along with the increase in natural disasters that has accompanied the shift in Earth's climate. The National Environmental Health Association lists climate change as the single biggest human health threat of the 21st century. Climate change disrupts the natural world in a number of ways that can impede health and increase vulnerability to disease. These include increases in the planet's temperature and more frequent heavy rains and runoff. The various impacts may result in greater vulnerability to nervous and respiratory diseases, diarrhea, and more. Number 4. Diseases caused by microbes. Diseases caused by microbes, also known as microorganisms, present another area of public health concern. Trillions of microbes exist within the human body, and they also live in water, soil, and air. Most of them have no negative health effects, and many microbes perform important biological functions such as supporting digestive and immune system. According to the National Human Genome Research Institute, bacteria, viruses, and fungi are types of microbes. Harmful microbes, which are more commonly called pathogens or germs, can infect humans and cause illness. Eating is one of the primary ways in which humans can contract diseases caused by microbes. One example is food poisoning from E. coli, a type of bacteria that can be found in the environment and in foods, and which can cause respiratory illness, urinary tract infections, and other adverse health effects. Number 5. Lack of access to healthcare. Another environmental factor that contributes to disease and overall poor health outcomes is living in an area with a lack of access to healthcare services. According to the Healthy People, many people face barriers that prevent or limit access to needed healthcare services, which may increase the risk of poor health outcomes and health disparities. Some factors that contribute to lack of access to healthcare are economical instability, unreliable transportation to clinical facilities, and simple lack of education about the importance of preventive care. Number 6. Infrastructure issues. Infrastructure issues can also have a major impact on community health. Examples include the following: poorly maintained roads, lack of access to clean drinking water, lack of local healthcare infrastructure such as clinics capable of giving vaccinations. Overcoming poor infrastructure requires the right allocation of resources from local, state, and federal governments as well as qualified workforce to keep infrastructure properly maintained. Number 7. Poor water quality. Very Well Health reports that across the world, more than 780 million people don't have access to clean drinking water. Shockingly, about a third of the world population lacks access to proper sanitization services. The health implications are sobering. Each day, more than 2,200 children die due to diseases caused by poor water quality. A number of factors can contribute to poor water quality, including industrial waste and pollution, lack of access to proper water treatment and sanitization services, and outdated plumbing infrastructure. Number 8. Global environmental issues. Global environmental issues accounts for more than 12.6 million deaths each year, according to the WHO data. Along with the issues mentioned here, these can include soil pollution, ultraviolet radiation, and biodiversity loss. According to the data, more than 100 illnesses and injuries can be directly linked to environmental health concerns. Often these issues have the greatest impact on communities that are poor and already have significant healthcare vulnerabilities. In this video, we discussed about 8 key environmental factors that affect health. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.